What's coming up for you in love in the next 48 hours? That's what we will be checking today. I've already shuffled the cards, so we will be just using one deck today. And hello and welcome to my channel. I will first pull 3 cards and then if needed we will pull more. Okay, so we have Plan Ahead, Divine Match, and Flying High. You seem to be very much in love with someone. Kind of, you are infatuated with them at this point. And it feels like you are following your destiny. This is something that was meant to be. This is either a soulmate or a twin flame connection. The first card says Plan Ahead. So maybe you need to be ready to adapt to some kind of situation that you might not be familiar with regarding this connection. So something like that could come up and you have to be ready for that. Let's pull a few more cards. Unlock happiness. Leap forward. Fan the flames. So this is the chance where you can unlock your happiness. You can be yourself with the person that you are dealing with currently because they are your soulmate and they are the key to unlocking your happiness. You can be vulnerable with them, express yourself completely, be your authentic self, and they will completely, totally accept you as you are. Seize the moment and let yourself be loved fully. Take a leap of faith. This is like the Fool card in tarot. Take a leap of faith. This is something that's meant to be. There is movement and progress coming up in your situation. And the person will give you complete love. There is lots of romance and care within the relationship. Both of you care for each other. And you can just go forward in the relationship, as the card says, fan the flames, give fuel to fire. So take a leap of faith in the next 48 hours, whatever situation comes up regarding your love life. Take a leap of faith, and there's lots of happiness because you have found your soulmate or your twin flame. And there's going to be something great for you to look forward to within the relationship. Yes, so I'm happy for you. Those are some pretty lovely cards that you got. Let's pull a few charms. What do we have for you? We have a star, a turtle, and for the letters we have S, Q, D, N, E, W, O, Z, X, and we have O, P, W, and R. If your initials are not over here, if your or your person's initials are not over here, even then it's very possible that this reading is for you. And if you did find your initial, then that's a double confirmation that this is meant for you. So the star, you are the star of their eyes, for your person. And the turtle means that go forward slowly and steadily, and you will get what you want in the relationship. Do drop a comment if this resonated with you, and like and subscribe to my channel for the daily guidance videos that I post every morning, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of that. Do you like this kind of readings? Let me know, then I will do more of these. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.